morning, guys. So we're taking us on a tour today. We're doing a few things. So we're starting at the fish market. Let's go.
After fish me up.
Gotta tell you, you are the greatest. You are the greatest. Love, love, love. You are the greatest love.
The fish market is colorful, it's amazing, it's exactly what you can imagine about Vietnamese market all in one place. Just loved it.
Catfish? Yeah. I love to cook this. I wish we could cook this.
For this particular place, we were cycling for, I don't know, a couple of kilometers through the rice fields and then the buffalo ride. Now, me and Regina declined the buffalo ride, but Arvel did a lot of buffalo rides and it's amazing. He absolutely loved it. The buffalo is so gentle and so, mild. And it was a really, really nice experience.
Every step it takes, you can feel.
Yeah, it's strong and beautiful animal.
No wonder they use it for centuries.
Yeah, they are using it for centuries.
You would eat a bat? Yeah, I realize.
True Vietnamese boy now. Oh yeah. That's how it's done. We are having fun on the coconut boat. It's a weird coconut boat. I have never seen this, but we are going to beautiful places on the river in some small village that we were biking here for about 15 kilometers. So, yeah, maybe more.
It was around.
It was
It's
around.
outside of Hoi An
Yeah.
in Vietnam.
So let's do it. actually used to transfer some things on those boats, coconut boats?
Because they can carry a lot of room. And you only need one person to drive them,
To operate
not
them.
two. Because it's a completely round boat. Ring.
Yeah.
It's a big ring.
It's a grasshopper and it's huge.
And it's a
That's cute.
ring.
Cute, cute. Okay, Regina got her own. I'm guessing grasshopper? Now you have.
I have a smaller one. Different.
Smaller. I have the biggest one.
You have a huge
So
one.
cute. Now Regina is with the head. She's the queen, our queen.
The princess.
Now she's
The
our
queen.
queen.
Sorry,
She's
the
the queen.
That's what my name means.
Yeah, Queen Regina.
Queen Victoria.
It's the second queen, you know.
Okay.
Baby, you did it.
Now the crab is in the boat.
In the boat. But yeah, you did it. Yeah. This is the crab that Ariel caught.
That was actually dope.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much for coming with us to this beautiful day of traveling. And yes, please subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up us, and choose loving life. And remember, go towards your joy and do something fun every day. And see you next time. Bye.